So although we're Amazon sellers, we've been getting a lot of questions about just if you want to do basic video editing, what about Autocut, right? And this is one of the easiest tools to use to edit your own videos. If you were like, oh my gosh, it's going to be so difficult. I mean, this pretty much does most of the hard work for you to make your videos look extremely professional in a small amount of time. And it does have a 14 free day trial, right? So you can try it out. Just wanted to do a video on this just because it's been doing so good. So if you do use Premiere, you can use Adobe Premiere. That's what I recommend. That's probably going to be one of the easiest and the best. Once you learn a little bit of it, it becomes secondhand nature. Now, what we're doing is we're just dragging our videos in. So if we're just doing, let's see, here's a video, and this is about, looks like a Tamagotchi. Oh, this is about transparency, Amazon transparency. I'm gonna put, so now I have my video of my actual self, right? And then I have a video of my desktop here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sync. I'm just going to highlight all these, just synchronize these, and then we're going to use Autocut. Now it's synced. So I'm going to delete the bad one. That's going to be this one. Boop. And there you go. Now the audio that's not good is deleted. And you can see I'm putting up a light over here. That's hilarious, right? So we're going to see, is it going to take this one out or is it going to leave it in? All right. So what we're going to do is going to do Autocut. And you can download Autocut from the website. What it's going to do when you type in Autocut, it's going to pop up, and it's going to, for me, it's popping up on a different screen, but here's what it looks like. And once you do this, you're going to actually click on Window, and you're going to click on Workspace. Let's see, Workspaces, Extensions, and then Autocut. Here it is, Autocut. It should show up here automatically. Once you do that, it should sync. Let's see how long it takes to sync. Looks like it's loading. Okay, and now there we have it. Here is, now you can upgrade to AI. I have tried every single one of these. I do not recommend them. They're not there yet. I don't think they're that good. Now it's up to you. But the Autocut Silences, this is the best, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this, the Autocut Silences, and you can make the screen bigger too to see. And what I do is entire timeline, validate sections, right? Generate entire preview. Once it's generated, you're gonna click calculate by AI, and then you're going to click cut and delete silences. So we're going to do that in real time and see what it looks like. Here, I'm going to move it. So now what it did is it's cutting silences, right? And we can see where we started. Okay, awesome. So you go here, cut here, come back, and then for the now for the entire video, it's all cut up. So now you could see it was kind of cutting out all the BS. And now we have it right here. Before you enroll, we can zoom in a little bit. Do the little dial. Boom. Boom. Zooming out. Moving this over. Moving this over. Now it's going to be practically almost pro. And then this, if I had to cut this all myself, so if we're going to go here too, we'll cut right here.
Oh, sorry, you forgot right. Huge.
You can see how it skips right there. Just like a professional video would. I'm saying you got your regular UPC code, and then boom, that cut is pro. That's a phenomenal cut right there. We'll see where it cuts again.
Guys, does not replace your UPC code. So you have that coming up transparency.
So I must have like stuttered. I must have said, is a different code, right? So it automatically is really getting those parts where I'm going to say, or I'm just waiting a second. I'm like thinking about what to say. This stuff really helps me. And then obviously I'm going to be sharing my screen for this, for a large part of this. So it's also going to be clipping all of that. Now, all I have to do now is just kind of edit where I want my screen to show, where I don't want it to show. But this takes away a lot because people don't want to watch your video if you're just like, and you're, and then you're kind of like, wait a second, you don't know what to say. And a lot of beginners, that's what happens. So definitely trying out Autocut. I think that's going to be the biggest ROI other than having a good video editor that you learn. That's my recommendation. So yeah, check it out. Just wanted to make a quick video about that. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.